So now, to fix this problem, go to your phone menu and try to search for settings app. So when you find it, just tap on it to open it. Now try to search for apps and notification, or apps and preference. Just tap on it to open it. Tap on the see your apps. Try to search for the app name, and when you find it, just tap on it to open it. After that, tap on notifications. Make sure the show notification is still good on. Now go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi, and make sure the background data is still good on. Now go back and tap on storage and cache. Make sure to clear the cache. So we tap on the clear cache, then you're done. Now go back. Make sure every permission is allowed after tapping on permissions. So now tap on notification and make sure the show notification is still good on. It's very necessary. Then lastly, tap on full stop. Then you tap on OK. Now let's go to our phone menu and try to search for Google Play Store. Now tap on Google Play Store, search for the app, then you tap on it and make sure you tap on update over here to update the app. So after getting the latest update, what you have to do is to restart your device. So now to restart your device, tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart, then after that tap on OK, and it's going to be fixed. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video.